This demonstration we're going to have a look at how we can create a custom role group. The purpose of a custom role group is to allow us to fine-tune permissions in order to manage our Exchange organization. So to do this, I'm going to do this through the Exchange management shell, and I'm going to start off by creating a new management scope. So what we've done here, new management scope, name is going to be marketing mailboxes. It's going to be done at the recipient root for a datum.com/marketing, and in the case of the filter here, we're only bothered about managing user mailboxes. So as you can see here, set all of this up. So that means that we've now created this marketing mailbox role. The next thing we're going to do here is just create a new management role group, and this is going to use a custom management scope. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to create this scope to cover yet again marketing mailboxes. So what we've done here, we've created our new role group called marketing admins. The roles we're going to assign here are mail recipients, mail recipient creation, and customer recipient right scope is purely for the marketing mailboxes. So we're going to allow whoever gets a hold of this role to actually create recipients within the marketing organizational unit. So this is run through now. We've got our assigned roles, our role assignments, and who actually manages all of this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some users to this role. So we're going to do that again through the Exchange management shell. So we're going to add role group member to the ID marketing admins, and we're going to make Andreas a member of this group. Now done. Next thing we need to do here is just come into Active Directory users and computers and just make sure that the marketing admins group has actually been created. And then what we'll do is we'll just go into RBAC.avi and just ensure that these permissions are actually working. So as we can see here, if we just look down here, we've got marketing admins. Double click on marketing admins, just have a look at members, and we can actually see that Andreas does have membership of this group. So click OK here. We'll just move over to RBAC.avi and log in as Andreas. So as we can see here, we're logged in as user, a datum Andreas. What we're now going to do is just launch the Exchange Management Console. Now what we'll do here is we'll just check one of the users in marketing, just to make sure we can manage a marketing user, which we can. Next thing we'll do here is just create a new mailbox. User mailbox, new user, specify the organizational unit, specify marketing, click OK at this point. We'll just quickly create a test user. Specify the alias as just test, specify the mailbox, click OK at this point, click next, click new, click finish. We've now created a user in the marketing group, so that does prove that our assignment did work, and it worked for our user that we specified. That's the end of the demonstration. Thanks very much.